6. AW-159 anti-submarine warfare helicopter to be purchased by the Philippines on Horizon 3. The Augusta Westland AW-159 Wildcat, formerly Future Lynx and Lynx Wildcat, is a British military helicopter. It is an enhanced variant of the Westland Super Lynx designed to perform battlefield utility, search and rescue, and anti-surface warfare missions. Both the Royal Navy and the British Army use common variants, which have superseded their predecessors, the Lynx Mk 789. The AW-159 has also been offered to a number of export customers, including the Republic of Korea Navy and the Philippine Navy.